How's it going, guys? This week's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get leads for your business using Facebook ads. I'm just going to jump straight into it. This is what your business manager should look like. If it looks different, it's because Facebook's done an update, but let's just jump straight into it. So you want to just create an ad. This can work for any business, and you want to come down here to lead generation. So select that, continue. Obviously name it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. I would leave campaign budget optimization off for now if you're just going to do it yourself. Just go next. There will be a thing here saying accept terms and conditions. Just accept that. Name it again for the ad set, whatever you want. I would stick to, well, you can do whichever one you want. I'm going to show you how to do the instant forms today, but later on if you want to work through calls and automated chat yourself, feel free, but I'm going to stick to instant forms for today. Leave that off for now. Budget, select budget, whatever you want. Select the start date whenever you want. I never have an end date. I just leave that open, and then you can just turn the ad off later on. Pick your audience. You can either use a custom audience or come down here and select an interest. If you're a builder, you can just do building contractors, and select whatever audience you want that's relevant for your business. Sometimes your audience is too small. These are job titles. Yeah, we'll do. You get the idea. If you're an e-com store, select whatever interest your audience is going to be interested in. I think you understand that part. So make sure this is on leads. This can all be left as is to start off with, and then we'll create the ad. So again, name it whatever you want. Make sure your Instagram pages are selected, and I'm going to just create a basic ad. So this is an ad that I've done earlier. So just do here, make it look good. Obviously you would make your headlines and text a lot better, but I'm just doing it quickly just to show you how it works. With the button, you could have sign up, learn more, subscribe, download, get offer, depending on what your lead form is going to say. Let's just stick with like get quote, because my brothers have got a building company. We'll just say people are interested in getting quotes for a bathroom. And this is where you'll either create a form or you use a form you've created earlier. So I started a form earlier. I'm just going to show you let's just start one from scratch. So create form, name it whatever you want, build. Stick to more volume to start off with. Intro, you can either put your logo or anything up there, change that. Headline, new bathroom. You could write whatever you want here. Get quick quote today. You could put as much right in there as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you. Then you've got questions. So you can ask as many questions as you want. You can make it multiple choice. You can say, are you dependent on your business? I'm going to use the building example again. Are you after a bathroom? After your kitchen? Are you a balcony? You could ask those sort of questions. And then you could have multiple choice, stuff like that. So you just play around with that and see whichever one works best for your business. Obviously you need their name and email address. That's in there already. You could add a message there as well. So please enter your details below. Something like that. Then you go to privacy. You do need a website for this to work, so you need to grab the privacy policy from your website and just link it in here. So you just go privacy policy. Use the link to your privacy policy on your website and just paste it there. And then once they've filled that out, then you can send them somewhere. You can send them to your website, or you can get them to do another action. Depending on what your business is, I'm just going to stick to send them to your website. But depending on what your business is, they might want to call you, or they might want to download something else you're offering. So keep it. I'm just going to keep it for view website, and then you can just what call to action text. You could view website now, and obviously that button down there's changes, and then you link your website. And then once you've filled all that out and you're happy with it, you just click publish. That's what you do. So yeah, I'm not going to put the links and stuff in there, but just pretend that's all in there. Click publish. So yeah, that will be in there. It's only a draft, so I didn't put that link in there. But once you put that link in there, it will be complete. You could publish it, and then you can yeah, you can run the ad. Make sure your pixels and all that are on. But yeah, that's very basically how you set up an ad to generate leads for your business. It might seem pretty easy to set up. To me, it is. If you have trouble setting this up, or you're not sure how to really do it, it's too hard, you don't have time, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, and I can help you do this for your business. No matter what business it is, this works for all businesses. If your customers have Facebook, you can market to them using Facebook ads. So hopefully this video helps, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.